Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to make biryani rice recipe. Kuska rice with kuska rice. Biryani rice is popular Indian rice dish made with basmati rice and biryani essentials like spices, herbs, yogurt, and onions. It is nothing but a one-pot vegetarian plain biryani rice made without any meat or veggies, also known as kuska rice or plain biryani in South Indian. This is a very flavorful and spicy dish that can be made in a jiffy. Biryani is one of the most loved dish in India, and there are so many kind of biryanis. While a lot of people say a dish without meat is not a biryani, and a lot more say a dish which can layered and dum cooked is not a biryani. However, the truth is that there is no one way to make it is made. But yes, an authentic biryani is said to have meat is always layered and dum cooked. About biryani rice is fake version of authentic biryani is as it has no meat, no not layered and is not cooked, dum cooked. Down the southern part of of India, this is one dish that is immensely popular in the budget and medium scale restaurant. It is also called as kuska or plain biryani. India is a serving. India is deserved nation, and every dish is made in any regional ways. So you find biryani rice is referred to kuska in some regions, and the recipe vary widely. How to made it? How to make biryani rice? Wash dish and soak rice for about 20 to 30 minutes. Meanwhile, prepare the onions and tomatoes. After 30 minutes, drain the rice completely to a colander. Set this aside. Step 2 is to heat oil and in a pot or pressure cooker. Add beef leaf, bay leaf, and star anise and many more. The third step is to slice 3 to 4 cup onions and fry until golden. Until golden.